Hi all, welcome back to Venice Academy. In the previous class, we discussed how to solve Wheaton bridge under balanced condition. Today, our topic is solution of Wheaton bridge under unbalanced condition. Today we are discussing about a Wheaton bridge under unbalanced condition. We know that in Wheaton bridge it consists of four resistance arm P, Q, R and S, where R is the unknown resistance and we are using this Wheaton bridge under balanced condition such that P by Q equal to R by S. Under such condition, there is no current flowing through this galvanometer. So, balanced condition, no current flows through galvanometer and we can eliminate this middle branch. Here, today we are discussing about unbalanced condition where P by Q ratio not equal to R by S. An example question is find equivalent resistance between A and B. This is a Wheaton network. We can see this bridge is not balanced condition because P by Q ratio, that is 10 by 20, not equal to 20 by 10 ratio. Therefore, we can say P by Q not equal to R by S and the bridge is in unbalanced condition. In such conditions, we cannot open circuit the middle branch and we are using delta to star conversion method. In such a method, a delta network like this R1, R2, R3 is converted to a star network Rx, Ry, Rz. This delta network is converted to star network by delta to star conversion method. For that, the equations are Rx equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 R2 R3 Rx Ry Rz. So the equation of Rx is R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Similarly, Ry equal to Ry is in between R2 and R3. So take the product R2 R3 and that divided by sum R1 plus R2 plus R3. Rz equal to Rz comes in between R1 and R3. So R1 R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. These are the three equations used for converting a delta network into equivalent star network. The figure given in our question. So this is a delta circuit. Let me convert this delta network to a star network. So 10, 5, 20. This network is, here I redraw. So then convert this delta network to star network. For that, the equations are, how can calculate this resistance? Let this resistance Rx, this resistance Ry, this resistance Rz, then Rx equal to 10 into 5 divided by 10 plus 5 plus 20. That is 50 divided by 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 5, 35. Similarly, Ry equal to, Ry in between 5 and 20. So 5 into 20, 100 divided by 35. Rz equal to 10 into 20, 200 divided by 35. So, let me redraw this delta network to equivalent star network by using these resistors Rx, Ry and Rz. The delta network to star network, we got the resistance values as 200 by 35, that is 40 by 7, 100 by 35, that is 20 by 7, 50 by 35, that is 10 by 7. So, we can redraw this figure as 40 by 7, 10 by 7, 20 by 7. This is a star connection. Okay, we are converting this first delta network to equivalent star network. Then comes this is 20 ohm, this is 10 ohm. So comes this 20 ohm and comes here comes the 10 ohm. Our A point is this and our B point is this. Now our circuit is simplified. So we can easily calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B. The 10 by 7 and 20 ohm comes in series, 20 by 7 and 10 ohm comes in series. Then these two branches comes in parallel. The equivalent resistance is added with 40 by 7. That is the equivalent resistance in the answer. So we can calculate the equivalent resistance of this branch. 10 by 7 ohm and 20 ohm come in series. So while resistors are connected in series, the equivalent resistance is given by
sum of those resistances. So 10 by 7 plus 20 equal to 150 by 7 ohm. This branch contains two series resistors, 20 by 7 and 10 ohm. So while we calculating the equivalent resistance, we got 90 by 7 ohm. Both resistance 150 by 7 ohm and 90 by 7 ohm are connected in parallel. So the next figure is we got like this. 1 ohm and 90 by 7 ohm are connected in parallel. So calculating the equivalent resistance by using the equation R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Then product comes in the numerator and the sum comes in the denominator. Well, after calculation, we get the answer as 225 divided by 4 ohm. Finally, 225 by 4 ohm comes in series with the resistance 40 by 7 ohm. So we can add them together and we get final answer as 61.96 ohm. So this is the method. For simplifying Wheatstone circuit, we have to use delta to star conversion method. This method is so easy, but you have to practice it well. Thank you.